Have you ever stopped to notice how roosters seem to sense the arrival of morning? Long before alarm clocks ring or the sun fully breaks the horizon, that sharp, familiar crow slices through the stillness. Most of us grow up believing it's nothing more than a simple reaction to light, automatic, instinctive, and predictable. But what if that explanation doesn't tell the whole story? What if the timing of the call, the way it sounds, and even which rooster crows first carry more meaning than we've ever considered? Today, we're diving deeper into why roosters crow at dawn, uncovering what's really happening behind that iconic sound and why it appears so precisely when it does. At its foundation, a rooster's crow is a biological behavior shaped by instinct and physical design. Like all birds, roosters possess a specialized vocal organ known as the syrinx, capable of producing powerful and intricate sounds. Unlike the human voice box, the syrinx is located at the base of the windpipe, where airflow and finely controlled muscles work together to create unique vocal signals. The crow begins deep within the rooster's body as air moves across vibrating tissues, generating sound that is then amplified to travel across great distances. This mechanism is shared by roosters everywhere, regardless of breed or surroundings. It's a system precisely adapted to produce the bold, attention-demanding call we instinctively associate with the break of morning. But the sound itself is only part of the story. A rooster's crow isn't a simple reflex or a mechanical response. It's a layered behavior shaped by a combination of internal processes and external signals, factors that become clearer the closer we look. One of the most common misunderstandings is the idea that roosters crow only because the sun rises. In reality, roosters, like many living creatures, operate on circadian rhythms, internal biological clocks that follow a roughly 24-hour cycle. These rhythms are influenced by light and darkness, but they aren't entirely dependent on seeing the sunrise. Even when kept in continuous darkness, roosters maintain regular patterns of rest and activity. As the night progresses toward dawn, the rooster's body naturally begins to shift into a more alert state. Hormonal activity increases, awareness rises, and the likelihood of crowing grows. In this sense, the morning call isn't a reaction to daylight, it's the result of an internal clock preparing for what's about to happen. This explains why roosters housed in barns or indoor spaces with artificial lighting often crow in sync with lights turning on, even when that timing doesn't match the actual sunrise. The crow, then, isn't random sound. It serves a clear purpose. Crowing functions as communication. Through these calls, roosters announce their presence, define territory, and assert social rank to others in the area. Morning plays a critical role in this process, as it marks the shift from rest to movement, a time when animals become active and boundaries are most likely to be tested. By calling out early, a rooster asserts its presence through sound before any physical interaction takes place within the flock. This early announcement helps establish order, reinforcing social hierarchy without the need for constant conflict. Each crow carries subtle variations in tone and pattern, making it recognizable. Other chickens, and rival roosters, can identify exactly who is calling and pinpoint where that call is coming from. Crowing is also closely connected to a rooster's stage of growth. Young male chickens don't crow right away. The behavior develops gradually as they mature and hormone levels begin to rise. Testosterone plays a central role, influencing not only whether a rooster will crow, but how frequently and how confidently it does so. In the early stages, these calls may sound uneven or incomplete, strengthening and becoming more consistent over time. Shifts in a rooster's surroundings, such as increased competition within the flock or the arrival of other roosters, can further affect how often it crows. This shows that crowing is shaped by both internal biology and social dynamics. And while internal clocks and hormones lay the foundation, outside influences matter too. Roosters don't reserve their calls for sunrise alone. They crow throughout the day in response to sudden noises, movement, changes in lighting, or the appearance of people, animals, or neighboring flocks. Research into chicken behavior reveals that roosters tend to crow more frequently when something disrupts the usual rhythm of their environment. For instance, a rooster may crow when a farmer steps into the yard, when a potential predator is nearby, or when the sudden roar of a passing vehicle breaks the calm. In moments like these, crowing functions as a broad alert, an audible signal that something has changed, directed both to the flock and to other roosters within hearing range. Morning simply offers one of the most reliable windows for these triggers, as light steadily increases and daily activity begins to build. To human ears, the rooster's call has always seemed intentional, almost as if the bird is formally announcing the start of the day. That perception has been strengthened over centuries because the sound is so regular and so striking during the quiet stretch before sunrise. Long before mechanical clocks existed, people depended on natural signals to measure time. The rooster's crow became one of the most dependable of those signals, marking the approach of morning with remarkable consistency. Over time, that reliability led to a simple conclusion: roosters crow because the sun comes up. While modern research reveals a far more layered explanation, this long-held connection helps explain why the idea remains so familiar and convincing. In truth, roosters crow at dawn because several forces come together at once. Internal biological clocks, hormonal changes, social signaling, and shifts in the environment all play a role. These factors make the early hours especially noticeable for crowing, creating the impression that it's driven solely by sunrise. In reality, it's a finely tuned behavior shaped by evolution, one that blends instinct with constant interaction with the world around it. The next time you hear a rooster welcome the morning, remember, it's far more than just nature's alarm clock. It's a precisely timed signal, the product of biology, behavior, and environment, honed over countless generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you have ideas or topics you'd like us to explore next, drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories hidden in the smallest details of everyday life.